Buffer and Hootsuite are essential tools for mastering social media management. Buffer offers a user-friendly interface and focuses on scheduling and analytics, while Hootsuite provides robust features for team collaboration and monitoring. Both platforms enhance efficiency, allowing businesses to optimize their digital marketing strategies effectively. In 2025, with 5.44 billion global social media users, efficient management is crucial. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite save 3.5 hours weekly, boosting engagement by 73%. These platforms streamline scheduling and offer analytics, optimizing your strategy and maximizing growth potential in a digital landscape where over 67% of the world is active online. Buffer 4 combines simplicity with power, offering a clean, intuitive design. Its dashboard features queue-based scheduling, making content creation and sharing efficient. Supporting platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more, Buffer's publishing calendar provides a clear visual overview of scheduled content across all connected platforms. Buffer's dashboard offers a clean, intuitive design, perfect for beginners. It focuses on queue-based scheduling, simplifying content creation and sharing. Supporting platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and Mastodon. Buffer's publishing calendar provides a clear visual overview of scheduled content across all connected platforms. Buffer's drag-and-drop scheduling simplifies content management by allowing users to easily arrange posts on a visual calendar. The AI assistant enhances productivity by generating captivating captions and content ideas, while the Start Page feature offers a customizable link in bio landing page, consolidating social channels and links into a mobile-optimized destination. Buffer's analytics offer insights into audience engagement, tracking metrics like post reach, impressions, and engagement rates. The free plan provides basic metrics, while paid plans offer advanced insights. The engagement dashboard centralizes comments and messages, streamlining responses. Key metrics include click-through rates, audience growth, and optimal posting times, enhancing content strategy across platforms. Buffer offers a free plan with 3 social media accounts, 10 scheduled posts per account, and basic analytics, ideal for individuals. The Essentials plan at $5 per month per channel includes unlimited posts, AI assistant, and enhanced analytics, perfect for solopreneurs. The Team plan at $10 per month per channel adds unlimited team members and advanced reporting, suitable for growing teams. Hootsuite offers a robust enterprise-grade management system with a customizable interface. Its command center allows simultaneous monitoring, scheduling, and engagement across multiple social channels. Supporting over 35 networks, Hootsuite provides extensive platform coverage. Key features include multi-stream monitoring, a unified inbox for managing interactions, and a visual calendar for organizing scheduled content efficiently. Hootsuite's interface offers customizable streams for monitoring, scheduling, and engaging across social channels. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your social media ecosystem. Supporting over 35 networks, it includes features like multi-stream monitoring, a unified inbox for managing interactions, and a visual calendar for organized content scheduling. Hootsuite's bulk scheduling allows you to upload and schedule hundreds of posts simultaneously, optimizing campaign planning. Social listening tracks brand mentions and competitor activity, offering insights filtered by geolocation and sentiment. Enhance team collaboration by assigning messages, adding notes, and creating approval workflows, ensuring brand consistency across marketing teams. Set up listening streams for real-time trend response. Hootsuite's analytics offer advanced performance tracking with customizable reports, enabling deep insights into social media metrics. Compare against competitors and industry benchmarks. Features include customizable dashboards, return on investment tracking, organic versus paid analysis, team productivity metrics, and automated report scheduling. Owly Writer. AI enhances content creation with AI-generated captions and hashtag suggestions, ensuring consistent posting schedules. Hootsuite offers 3 pricing tiers: Professional at $99 per user per month for 1 user and 10 social accounts. Team at $249 per month for 3 users and 20 accounts. And Enterprise with custom pricing for unlimited users and 50-plus accounts. Each plan includes advanced analytics and collaboration tools, with a 30-day free trial available for evaluation. Buffer offers a free plan with 3 accounts and 10 posts, starting at $5 per month per channel, supporting 10-plus platforms. Hootsuite, with no free plan, starts at $99 per user per month, supporting 35-plus platforms. Buffer is ideal for individuals and small businesses, while Hootsuite suits large teams needing advanced analytics, comprehensive social listening, and robust team collaboration. Buffer offers a free plan with 3 accounts and 10 posts, while Hootsuite provides a 30-day trial. Buffer's starting price is $5 per month per channel, compared to Hootsuite's $99 per user per month. Buffer supports 10-plus platforms, Hootsuite 35-plus. Buffer is ideal for individuals and small businesses, whereas Hootsuite suits large teams needing advanced analytics and social listening. Define your needs by considering budget, team size, and strategy complexity. Test both Buffer and Hootsuite to experience their features. Buffer suits beginners and small businesses, while Hootsuite is ideal for marketing teams needing advanced tools. Choose the platform that aligns with your current needs, knowing you can upgrade as you grow.